When a website or app rejects your PDF upload because the size is too big, you can reduce the file size through these two methods in Adobe Acrobat: the Reduce Size method or the Optimized PDF method. Reduce file size. Open the PDF in Acrobat. Go to File, then Reduce File Size or Compress PDF. Select the compatibility version. The latest version provides the best compression. Choose a location to save the file and click Save. You can see that the reduced size method took the original file, which was about 3 megabytes in size, to roughly 400 kilobytes, making the file 7 times smaller. When we open this reduced file size version, the PDF is still legible, but however, the reduction in image quality is noticeable. Optimize PDF. Open the PDF in Acrobat. Go to File, then Save as Other, and then Optimized PDF. In the PDF Optimizer dialog box, use the settings to reduce the PDF file size. You can go through the panels to adjust specific settings, like images, fonts, transparency, etc. If your PDF contains images, I would recommend setting both of these image compression qualities to high so that the images in your PDF are not noticeably affected. Click OK and save the optimized PDF. You can see that the optimized method took the original file, which was about 3 megabytes in size, to roughly 650 kilobytes, making the file 5 times smaller. But when we open this optimized PDF version, the drop in image quality in the PDF is not nearly as noticeable as with the reduced size method. This comes at the cost of twice the file size.